Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use an amazing app that lets you copy any text from your screen with just a tap. This app is called Copy Text on Screen and it's available for both Android and iOS devices. It's super easy and convenient to use, and it can save you a lot of time and hassle when you need to copy some text from an image, a video, a PDF, or any source on your screen. So without further ado, let's get started. To use this app, you need to download it from the Google Play Store or the App Store depending on your device. Once you have installed it, you need to grant it some permissions to access your camera and your storage. Then you can open the app and you will see a simple interface with two buttons, Capture and Gallery. If you want to copy text from an image that is already saved on your device, such as a photo, a screenshot, or a PDF file, you can use the Gallery button. This will let you browse your device's storage and choose the image that contains the text you want to copy. Then the app will process the image and show you the text in the same way as before. You can then select, edit, and copy the text as you wish. The app also has some other features that make it more useful and versatile. For example, you can change the language of the text detection by tapping on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen and choosing from over many languages supported by the app. You can also share the text or the image with the other apps by tapping on the share button after you select the particular image on the screen. And that's how you use Copy Text on Screen app to copy any text from your screen with just a tap. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions about this app or any other apps that you want me to review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.